guys, it's me again, back again with another YouTube video. Today's video, we're going to be unboxing Super Mario 3D World plus Bowser's Fury on the Nintendo Switch. So yeah, here's the case. It's rated 7. Here's the front, the spine, and the back. I haven't played that game. It's 7 Violets and Fear. Yeah. Let's remove the plastic wrap. Plastic seal or whatever. Seal. There's a lovely artwork. Here is the game, and if you take the game out, there is some graphics. Bowser's Fury. So guys, if you enjoyed this video, please leave a like, comment, and subscribe to my channel with the bell icon just so you don't miss out any new videos I release. And follow my social medias. They will be listed in the description below. And guys, if you want to take a step further, then please follow my TikTok account. Link will be in the description. And so that's all I said. See you later. Bye guys. I will see you in the next video when I'm reviewing 1-2 Switch. See you in the next video that is going to be about 1-2 Switch. And I'm going to upload that video tomorrow. Bye.